Hello and welcome to Junk Journal Inspirations. My name is Emily. I wanted to share with you a new series that I will be starting on Monday, March 8th. And this was something that I've wanted to kind of do for a while. And, I just hadn't. So it is now time. And thank you to all of the amazingly clever and, people in my Facebook group. Some of you came up with entire alphabetical lists for me, and that was fabulous. I think my biggest roadblock to starting this was just trying to come up with all of the ideas. And I'll explain to you here before I get, too far. But I wanted to say a huge thank you to all of you in the Facebook group that helped me put together this massive list. So what the series is going to be, I will call it Junk Journaling from A to Z, I think, something like that. And basically, I'm going to try and cover as many junk journal terms and techniques and supplies and, things like that in sort of an alphabetical way to make it a little, I don't know, just as an organizational tool. So I'm not all over the place, I guess. And I haven't quite decided whether I will go through all of the A's and then all of the B's. Initially, my thought was, okay, I'll take a week and I'll do all of the A's and then I'll do, the next week B. The problem is that some of these techniques are going to take longer, even maybe than a week. So I might do let's take, for instance, I'll just kind of show you my list here. So one of the things under A is altered books. Well, that's going to be kind of a lengthy series, right, in and of itself. So while I'm doing that, I might then also, talk about altered paper clips, because that's a fairly quick one video type thing. Does that make sense? So I'm not quite sure. I'm still not sure if I want to do all the A's first or if I want to do all of my top lines here, and then move on. I'm not sure how it's going to work yet. I might kind of pick and choose, but I will try to keep it in an organized manner for you so that it's not so confusing. The reason that I've wanted to do this is I've had, especially since I started in the Facebook group, since I took that over, there have been a lot of new members, a ton, and I'm so excited about that, and welcome to all of you if you're watching. But I hear a lot that, I don't know what a belly band is, or, what in the world do you do with, I don't know, let me just think of something. What in the world do you do with a distressing tool? That kind of thing. And sometimes it's overwhelming to just type that into YouTube because you're going to get 1,000 different videos, right? So I wanted to kind of put together a series that I could, just have a playlist for on my channel, and that it will be, it's not necessarily just for beginners. I just want to preface that. There will be, probably techniques that might be interesting to all levels of crafters, maybe things that you hadn't thought about before. I'll tell you this, there are many things on this list that I'm going to have to look up because I don't know what they are. And there might be times where I sort of pass it along to other YouTubers that I'm close with that can do a much better job of explaining that topic than I can. I will also say that I do not claim to know everything, and I certainly do not claim to know the best ways to do everything that I do know how to do. There are much smarter people than me, and I'm totally fine with that. So don't take this as, kind of crafting gospel, what I do. There might be better ways, there might be easier ways. I'm going to do my best. I'm going to show you how I do these things. And hopefully that will be helpful to you. And if nothing else, hopefully it will be inspiring to you to try it your way. You know, that kind of thing. That is my goal. I had so many comments. I was so excited in the group when I asked for ideas. It was amazing. And I've closed down like the comments on that for now, just because I needed to get a handle on the list that I already have. But if you're watching this, if you're watching this and you're not in my Facebook group, Junk Journal Inspirations, I would love for you to join. That would be fabulous. The link is in the description box below. But you can also comment on this video and let me know if there's anything that you're really interested in learning about. Even if it's already on my list, that's fine. You know, I had a lot of repeats and that's totally cool. I will add to this list as necessary, or if I think of things, or if people bring things up. But yeah, I think it's going to be a lot of fun. I think that it will be inspiring. It will also kind of help me in a direction to go, you know, with my channel for a while. I don't know. I don't want to claim that I've got everything together, because I don't. So, you know, in all honesty here, I do struggle with what to bring you, you know, content wise. I want to make sure that it's relevant, and I want to make sure that it's something that you will enjoy. So I feel like this will help me as much or more than it might help you guys. So that is the goal. Let me know what you think. Let me know if this is something that you're interested in seeing. You can, you know, leave me a comment with any other ideas you'd like me to add to the list. You know, again, there are some supplies on this list that I don't currently have. So I might have to work around that, or, you know, I might just get the supplies. I'll see, you know, how big of a list that is. But yeah, I want to bring you guys things that are inspiring and helpful to you. So, you can always let me know, in the comments of my videos, or you can send me, a message on Facebook or an email, and let me know what it is that you want to see, because ultimately that's why I'm here. That's why I'm doing this. You know, I want to provide you with awesome content that is helpful to you. All right, I'm going to stop rambling. But I just kind of wanted to give you an overview of what will be starting on Monday, March 8th. It will probably be a daily video series, and then I will also, in amongst those videos, I'll probably upload other videos, maybe 2 or 3 days a week on top of that. So you might be seeing multiple videos a day from me, because I want to make sure that I'm doing all of the other things that I want to do as well, that may not fit into this series. So that will be new. I don't usually do multiple videos in a day. So I'm excited. I'm very excited about this. All right, guys, I'm going to let you go for now. I hope you have a fabulous day. Let me know what you think. Find some time today to be crafty if you can. And I will talk to you in the next video. Take care, guys. Bye.